Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at the Puma Barbie doll. That's right, Barbie and Puma has teamed up to make these signature dolls. We bought these dolls online at Barbie.com. They were $50 each. The front of the box is pretty simple, a pink Barbie background with a Puma logo. On the back of the box, it says, in celebration of the 50th anniversary of the classic suede, Barbie and Puma unite to pay homage to the iconic sneaker. Wow, 50 years! The suede hit the scene in 1968 and has been changing the game ever since. From the courts to the curbs, it's been worn by icons of every generation. Now including one of the biggest icons, Barbie. The Puma Barbie doll celebrates the consistent cultural relevance and the undeniable cool factor of the suede by rocking her very own pair, complete with a 90s-inspired athleisure look. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, there was a lot of packaging holding these girls in place, with plastic straps that go under the doll's clothing. The two dolls are wearing the same outfit in different colors. They both have white sunglasses, hoop earrings that can be removed. The glasses are stitched onto the head, so we remove that to see her eyes. This Barbie has blue eyes, blonde hair with pink highlights, and she has large brown eyes, brown hair with pink highlights, and painted edges. I am liking those face sculpts. Their clothes are all tacked in place with small plastic stays, so you're gonna have to cut those to see the whole outfit. The bottom of her sleeves are taped to her arm with double-sided tape, so they are really making me work for this. Once the jacket and the tape has been removed, you can see that she's wearing an athletic top with pink zigzag stitching. The Puma logo is right in front, Barbie at the top and bottom. The outfit has long sleeves, and she has a large Puma accessory on her hand. They have on tights with Puma written in gold on the lower leg, and of course, they are wearing a pair of Pumas, with Barbie written on the side and bows in the back. They have oversized athletic jackets with mesh lining, a ribbon stripe down the arm, the Puma logo on the front, and a real working zipper. Depending on the doll, it comes in white or pink. Each doll comes with a stand and a paper certificate of authenticity. You may have noticed by now, these dolls are made to move. Yes! I mean, you can't have an athletic doll and not be made to move. They have articulation at the head, shoulder, upper arm, elbow, there's 2 joints there, wrist, ribs, hip, upper thigh, knee, there are 2 joints at the knee, and then the ankle, giving them an impressive range of motion. I love the made-to-move body. I just have a difficult time finding them. However, at $50 a piece, I probably won't use these for a lot of body swapping. Her skin tone is pretty similar to the Barbie baseball player. It might be a little more tan. And she is not quite the Barbie rock climber or the green top made-to-move Barbie. So this is a new made-to-move skin tone for my collection. Overall, I am really happy that I got both dolls so we can mix and match their outfits. $50 is a bit high, but I do think it is a lot of fun to see the Barbies wearing Puma gear. And those faces are too cute. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Puma Barbie doll. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
Still on it.